Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Everand weekly constituents. Then here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Everand app and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.